Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making some rosemary chicken and lemon rice. You don't want to miss it. It's very good. The chicken is so moist and it's super easy to make it. So stay tuned. So for this recipe, we'll need some chicken breast with the skin on, some slice of lemon, salt and pepper, rosemary, and some olive oil. So we'll start by drizzling some oil in my baking dish, and I'll put the lemon slice at the bottom. So what I will do, the chicken is actually gonna rest on the lemon slice, and I'll add some rosemary. So just a string like that. This recipe is for even beginners because you don't need much to cook this. I think a 5-year-old can make it, aside from using the oven. Okay, and I'll add some butter. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of butter. It just brings so much flavor to the chicken. And now what I will do, I will add the chicken breast on top of it. And the reason why I took the chicken breast with the skin is because the skin helps keep the moisture. You can do it with a chicken breast that don't have skin on top. So what you would do is add some more slice of lemon on top, just to help to prevent the chicken from drying up. But I like with the skin better. So what I will do, I will just gonna spread some butter, some melted butter, because it brings a gold texture on the skin, and it looks it's brownish texture on the skin, and it looks very good. Okay, so all you have to do is assemble it and put in the oven, and you will let the oven do its magic. Okay, some salt, and a little bit of pepper. There you have it. So this will go in the oven. I'll drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. So this will go in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. You can put it like this in the oven. You can add some vegetable around, so you have meat and vegetable all at once. It works perfectly fine. So let's get to it. So for the lemon rice, we will need some rice, green onions, salt and pepper, vegetable stock, and some lemon zest. So let's start by zesting the lemon. So when you zest the lemon, you want to make sure that you just take the zest, which is the skin of the lemon, but not the white part, because if you take the white part, it has a bitter taste to it, and you don't want to have it in your dish or your recipe. So we'll just zest one lemon. I think that's about it. I think that's enough. And now we're gonna move onto our stove, and we're gonna start making our rice. So guys, I forgot to mention, but we're actually gonna use one lemon juice. So we're gonna use the zest of the lemon and the juice of the lemon. So let's get to it. So I'm going to turn off my stove to a medium-high heat. I'll pour a little bit of olive oil. So I've heated some oil. I'm gonna put the green onions. Let it drizzle for let it sit for a little bit for about a minute. And now I'll add the rice and the lemon zest, and I'm gonna stir it well. Make sure it doesn't burn. If you feel that the heat, there's a lot of heat, just turn it down a little bit. I'll mix it well. And now we're gonna add some vegetable stock and stir it. So 1 lemon juice. There we go. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a little bit. Okay. So we're gonna mix it well. It's on medium-high heat. We're gonna cover it and we're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes. So you wanna keep an eye on it. You want all the liquid to be absorbed by the rice. And you're gonna taste your rice to make sure that it's cooked. Don't feel the urge to add more water if you feel that it's cooked, because the juice, the orange juice, will actually keep it very moist and it will cook. So you don't want to overcook the rice, right? Look at this chicken. Okay, so let's taste this chicken. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. It's gold. The skin is crisp and it's so tasty, and I can smell the lemon rice. Let's look at this chicken. So it's all cooked. It's cooked all the way through. So chicken has to be cooked all the way through. There's no medium rare for chicken. It has to be cooked all the way. And taste it. With, you know what? Let me put a little bit of rice here. It's a bit hot, but it's very good. Yeah, you should try it. You should try this recipe. You can taste the rosemary, the lemon, and the chicken, and it's very good. So I definitely recommend this recipe. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me any comments, any thoughts on the recipe and how you liked it, how you tried for your family, and I'll see you on the next episode. I'll see you. Bye bye.